Hi, this is Elizabeth Southern Embellishment. We're back with our Day 5 giveaway drawing. I'm so excited. This has been wonderful and exciting. Thank you to everybody that's subscribed and all the wonderful comments. And after today, we have one more. You still have time to get involved. So today's giveaway, we have this little junk journal with the Marion Smith digital downloads. We have some Tim Holtz wallflower paper journal. And those are our mini journals. Then we have the Tim Holtz Sizzix alteration die, and it's Candlelights. It's called Candlelights, brand new die. And then we have the Sizzix stamp and die cut, and it's got the perfume bottles and little sayings and stamps. So you got the stamps and the die cuts that go together. Brand new, again, brand new die set. So that is our giveaway today. Now a drum roll, and we're going to go to the computer and see who is our winner. I'm going to hit the start button. The names are going to start rolling, 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 rolling. Who's going to get it today? This has been so exciting. Today's winner is Robyn Searle. Amazing, Robyn Searle. We are so excited for you, Robyn. If you will PM me your address, I will get your giveaway right out to you. Thank you so much. Please still comment if you haven't yet, and subscribe. We've got one more day of giveaways. Have a great day. Make something beautiful. Bye-bye.